my own little, I'll make my own little advertisement here.
Do you guys have one in Kern?
Yeah, they do in Scottsdale. I want one of these at home. These are so cool.
You get good personal use program.
Yeah. I don't want to pay retail.
Are these all clean? Anybody know?
They are clean.
Can I get one of those?
Can I make just the coffee in this? Well, they already broke it down. Oh, they broke it down to clean it. Okay, guys.
Oh, that's why it's off, huh?
Alright, there we go.
Why are you making a movie?
I'm sending it to my fiance. She's never seen one of these things work like that.